5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Those who got this correct, come on, those who got this correct, take the praise, take the praise. So, which of them lie in the same plane? Incident ray, yes. Reflected ray, yes. Normal, yes. All of above. Correct answer is D. Press 1 if you understood the solution. Press 2 if you have any doubt. Chalo. Symmetry followed by the plane mirror. Horizontal symmetry. As you can see, the top is here. The top of the mountain will be shown to you at the bottom, at the lowest point. Where it will be shown? It will be shown at the lowest point. The closer part with the lake will be shown first, and as you go up, the same thing will go down over here. This is called as horizontal symmetry. Now look at vertical symmetry. Well, vertical symmetry, you all know that usually we don't have mountains like this, but vertical symmetry can be seen in your case. If you bring your hand like this, the closer part is the nails. So nails will come the closest in the mirror and your arm will go behind the mirror. That is called as vertical symmetry. Okay. Now let us see if you are able to answer this. Now, can you guess the words written? Okay, so you have to tell me, is this yes? Press 1 if I'm correct, press 2 if I'm wrong. Wonderful. Is this is? Press 1 if I'm correct, press 2 if I'm wrong. Wonderful again. Okay, is this will? This is have. This is when. This is if. Okay, what is this? Go. What is this? This is bang. No. B and B makes no sense. Okay, maybe some random word. Press 1 if you understood the concept of symmetry in the plane mirror. Press 2 if you have any doubt. Now, yeah, this is and. Correct. Somebody gave the correct answer. This is and. And. Very wonderful. Chalo. Yes. Whoever gave this answer is absolutely correct. Checked in the mirror. Very good. Which of the latter does not show same on the reflection? If you see W in reflection, you will see M. I'm just giving example. If you see A in reflection, you will see what? Something like this. The opposite of A. Or if you see A like this, you will see A. Okay. Which of the following letter does not show the same reflection? Mark your answer quickly.
Z is not so because Z we see in mirror, we see this time.
You have to mark the
This is
answer
not
according to the
same.
example shown in the figure. Look at the figure. The word is eco. The word is eco. Look over here. This is not same. on, guys. I'm going to close the ballot. Five, four, three, two, one. First, I'll give you the coins. I have not given the coin. Take the coins. Take the coins. Take the coins. And take the coins. Now,